Yeah, I'm gonna show off this Veto bag right now. This is the MP1X right here. So just show how I use it throughout the day when I'm working. On this one, this is it doesn't come with the handle, but I took it off of one of the other Veto bags, the MB2s or MB1s. So it has the handle. I put it on here. It doesn't come, this bag doesn't come with this handle. So with all the tools, just quick and go. I do sometimes, you know, put it on my side, carry it, but a lot of times I really don't do that. But I do like how everything is compact, just real quick. Do some quick troubleshooting, you know, try to see if I can get it in and out. But yeah, I like using it with the handle. So that's just something I added on to that. So just show what I use in here. So obviously I have the brush. So when I get to the unit and it's dirty, I can just take care of it real quick. Just brush it off. There you go. Nothing too special about the brush. I do have the Klein light in here. My Volt pen, my Klein. I don't carry no tape measures. I don't carry no voltmeters on this, no drills. There's other videos on this bag where you have people, you know, clip on the tape measure, things like that. I really don't need to measure anything when I'm out working. If I do, it'll be in a different bag. I have my fastback knife here. I have my, what is this, the 14-in-1. It has all the bits. I use the Milwaukee, this one. I like to let it stand out so I can just grab and go and put it in right away. I have my needle nose. You know, I like this one because it does multiple things. It's the needle nose, wire strippers, and it has the crimper. So then I have the channel locks in here. I have my service wrench right here on the side. There you go. Then I have my cord remover tool right on the side. I have a pen. Also, a cool thing I like about this one, I have for the zip ties, I have the PEX. I keep it in here. My zip ties just goes right in there. Nice little spot. I have crescent wrench, thermostat, screwdriver. Then I have my little mini channel locks. Then I have my brother right here, Captain. So pretty cool. So the sticker fits perfectly in there. So definitely check out the Captain on Instagram. Shout out to brother man. But yeah, pretty cool bag. The MP1X. Love this bag. Yeah, I definitely like it with the handle. So pretty cool bag. Very useful. I don't have to carry too much tools or anything. Just enough just to see if I can figure out what's going on. And that's it. I appreciate y'all watching the video. God bless everybody.